Hi, Duke. What you doing? What you doing, Bubby? What's up, Bubby? Oh, he's so sweet. Such a sweet boy. There's a Dukers. Yeah. What you doing, Mauser? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I know. I love you too, Bubby. More? Thank you. Thank you. There's Mauser. Hello, sir. Hi, Mama. What her doing? Yeah? Right? What? Serbs. Serby Serbs. I know. I know the brothers. Are y'all playing? You go play? Look at them playing. Oh, they're playing. Brothers. How funny. You guys have never done this before. The sniffs. Gotta have the sniffs. Oh, Duke, play with him. Play with him, Duke. Get him. Oh. Zoomies. Do the zoomies. Yeah, you're not taking that in the house. Get it, Duke. He put it down. He put it down. Oh, how funny. Getting a little bit of sunshine. It's the first day it's not been like really windy. How are you guys doing? Oh my goodness. I can't believe they were playing like that. You know, one of the reasons I'm out here is because the helicopters went over again, and I said, you know what? I'm going to go outside and have my camera ready just in case. I don't know if they're going to come back over. I heard 2 go. I heard 1 come back. So I'm thinking I still have 1 more left to come back. Yeah. But Cerberus and Duke have never played like that before. Never. I love that. I love that they're 2 brothers playing. That's fun. And I knew the Serbs was playful like that because he played a little bit like that with the dog that we had the issue with in Colorado. And that's all he was doing was playing. He's just playing, just like that. Well, the little dog got little dog syndrome and had to nip at him, draw blood. But that's another story. Just love seeing that these 2 guys are playing. It's fun, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Mauser's always there, y'all. Always. And Mama's at my feet. She's like, you're looking at me. Oh, it is very, very dry. We've had rain. Here I can show you a little bit where we have stuff coming up. I'm so thankful. Hang on. So we've got grass coming up under trees and in certain areas. So there's new stuff coming up, which I'm very thankful for. Gosh, I didn't even think to see if my volume was turned up. Hold on. So now it's probably going to be really loud. You know, goes along with all my other videos. Still haven't figured that issue out yet. Right now I'm walking down to the barn. Very dry. That's the gate when I go out. Hold on, I may hear them. So see, if we want to, we can open this gate. And this area goes back and behind the house. And so if we wanted to, we could open this gate so that the animals could go in there and get this good green stuff. So we hold off areas so we can feed them. So there's the barn. I'll get up here and I'll show you guys. I'll get up here and show you what I was talking about where we put our hay. Mr. Fiber has been working on refurbishing this barn. So we've got, you know, storage that's out of the weather for the most part. But see, that's open on that end. But anyway, this is where, when we have hay bales, this is where we store them. And we don't have any right now, so this is just other stuff. Because he's moving things in and out of the barn to work on the barn a little bit and kind of throw some stuff out. Let me see if I can you just see water down in there? Let me see if I can zoom you. So this is looking down from the barn, and that's what we call the tank. In other words, that's the pond down there. You can just see it through the trees. There you are. And that's next to the barn here. So we go down that hill, down there, and because I can see this barn from pretty much from down there too. Oh, you've been rolling. You have been rolling. You dirty dog. He's silly, huh? All right, you ready to go back to the house? Right, Mama. Hers all dirty. Oh. I'm pretty sure y'all can hear that. And by the way, Duke does not like guns. He's not liked them since he got here. He's getting a little more tolerant because he's had to see us shoot a couple things, but he does not. Usually when we get the guns out, he goes back to the house. So I don't think he likes that sound very much. I'm going to go ahead and put this video up for you guys for tomorrow, being Saturday the 18th. And I don't know. I'll try to do a chat, but I don't know if I will. You guys, this might be your video for Saturday. Oh. Keep thinking I hear them coming. Maybe. I hear something, but I don't know if it's down the hill, a motor, or if it's them coming back. Nope, it's them coming back. Hold on. Y'all hear them? I've been slowing down on the chats a little bit and my videos a little bit towards the end of the week because I have a lot of people that come in where they get off of work and they have time to sit down and catch up on videos. And I like to slow the videos down. That way, if they want to catch up on my videos, then they have the opportunity and I'm not loading more up on top of that. All right, you guys, I'm gonna let you go because I'm gonna catch these guys with this next clip. Have fun today.